Hey, Dream Projects here. Today we'll be showing you some all-purpose plant food. It's really good for growing vegetables and flowers and plants. So this is this Vigaro. You can buy that if you want. Beautiful garden. Some things, since I can't read it now, it's withered up and stuff. It's plant food. It's for all purpose. That means it's meant for all soils. Just remember to wash your hands after you use it, because it has nitrogen and other elements that aren't good for you but are good for plants. So this is how the inside looks. It's like that. So what you want to do is take 1 cup of that, and put it in like a bowl. And then put 1 gallon of water inside that bowl. So every cup you use, put 1 gallon inside the bowl. So I did 3 cups and 3 gallons, and then after I soaked it and just let it. So if you want to do, I did 3 cups and 3 gallons for all at once. But if you want to do 1 cup and 1 gallon, then that's fine. What you want to do is just soak it in. So take 1 cup of this fertilizer, and then soak it in water. 1 gallon of water. 1 gallon of water per 1 cup of fertilizer. Just soak it 1 cup of fertilizer in 1 gallon of water for 24 hours. Do that for every single time you do this. So every 1 cup and 1 gallon. Since I did 3 cups and 3 gallons all at once, I only had to do it 24 hours. I like it; it goes faster. But you could also do 1 cup and 1 gallon in 24 hours. Every day you do 1 cup and 1 gallon. So yeah. So once you're done, just put it in water, 1 gallon of water, and then just let it sit overnight. And then what you want to do is take the bucket or something and just spread it all over your plant area, or wherever your plants are, like this. You see all these green and white things? That was the fertilizer. Since I dissolved it in water, it's going to be even more richer in nutrients. Those green things, that's part of the fertilizer. There's a lot here. I just spread it out everywhere where my garden is, and so yeah. So I just spread it out everywhere. Just spread. It doesn't matter how much you put. Just spread it out. Don't put too much on one side, or like something. And so yeah. I also did that with my other plants. Over here, as you can see, I also put some green and white plant fertilizer, so this can grow. It has more richer nutrients because I dissolved it in water. Now I also have this. You see, this one is a bunched up. I put a bunch of soil fertilizer there because it really needs it. As you can see, this is a really big plum tree. So that's why it needs a lot, because everything happens over there. I also have this. As you can see here, there's some white minerals and some green. That's a great example, because over here, most of the soil around is not that good. But that's why I put most of the fertilizer where the good soil is, in the middle, where I transplanted it from the bucket, where I got my plant from Costco. I also this. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. It's a lot of soil, and the soil doesn't look that good. That's what you think, but look over here. What did I put? Yup, that's right. I put that fertilizer right over there. Spread it out across. It's very good for your plants. So, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below for another video. See you next time on Dream Projects.